Hi everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make a mini wallet. I have in here 4 inches by 8.5 heavyweight interfacing. Fold it in half. Fold the fold in, you go on to mark 1 inch. And on the side, you're gonna go an inch and a half. And then you go on to connect this. You cut this out. Then you have the template for this. You can make many and you can do as a gift card. Now you go on to find your fabric. You're gonna cut one for the main side, one for the lining, and also this one right here I have cut in here that 3 inches wide by 4 inches long. This is the inside pocket, the divider. So go find a fabric which I already have it here. Yeah, this fabric is so cute. Look at this, everyone. The Christmas cat. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm going to iron this. I have a quarter of an inch extra here for seam allowance because when I sew on the side of the interfacing. I don't sew on it, so just a little bit more, and then from here go all the way. Yeah, you have it. You go into place on the other side. You can either use the red fabric or you can use any fabric, but I'm going to use the red one. I go like this and I'm going to cut exactly the same. You're going to leave about, I would do about 2 inches open. Follow the interface and then it's so all around, down to here. And stop, leave this here open so you can inside out. And then I'm going to fold it with this at the fold here. I'm going to place the interfacing right near the fold like this, and then you can see the extra on the side. You're going to sew this side down and this side down. Everyone, after I sew these two, I'm gonna go around here and then I trim this. So you're gonna do this, fold this before you inside out. So sometimes it helps a lot when your fabric fray. It won't do that when you fold and then inside out. You're gonna iron this one, the whole thing, and then you go on the fold here. You're gonna top stitch the fold. This one right here, you're gonna do same thing on this opening space. You're gonna fold it and then you inside out. This piece, you make sure you top stick on the opening space, and the small piece right here at the opening space, you don't do anything but on the fold top stitch on this fold. After I top stitch in this one, I'm gonna bring back this one. This one you're going to mark 3 inches from the tray side up, 3 inches. And now you're going to place the opening space on the small piece facing at the 3 inches. So that way when you sew it down too. You don't need to top stitch earlier. Now you're going to fold this side up and clip this on the 4 sides so you can sew. And this can be made with the bigger side, everyone. So in the future I will show you. Now you're going to sew on the bottom like 1/8 of an inch on the side, go on the top, go on this side, go all the way down. 1/8 of an inch seam allowance. Now sew on this. I start sewing on the side and just go slowly because some area on the bottom and the side it's a little thick. So make sure you take it easy, go slow. And when you sew on the thick area, make sure you fold the fabric on the same thickness and place in front of the presser foot, then you can sew. You know, I love cooking, and every time I cook, sometimes I don't remember to video and record it for you to see. And every time when I finish, I'm like, damn, I forgot the video because I have 2 channels, and sometimes I don't remember that I have to do a video for my second channels, everyone. That was so funny. I missed so many of my cooking that I don't remember to record it for you. But I promise when I get it 4,000 hours, I will do that more like a routine. So I'm almost there, everyone. I just need a few, I think less than 100 hours. So I'm getting there. And thank you for all your support and all your comment, your share, your like, and your kindness to my channel. I have the best group of people on internet than in the real life. And I really appreciate your support all the time, everyone. Sometimes I don't say it, doesn't mean I don't know. So everyone, sometimes I sew the 2 opposite colors like this. I use either the bobbin is 1 color thread and then the top in a different color thread. And this one I use the bobbin white color and then the top is red. But you can use all red or you can use all white. So anyway, on the top right there, I'm gonna fold it down and I'm going to iron it. Get this snap button, everyone. This is super easy to use, and I ran out of the red button, but I'm gonna use that green. Any color in here can be the color for the button. So I'm gonna go and fold it in half. I'm gonna mark the center just like that, and from the center here right at the cat feet, I'm gonna go and make the holes right here. So I'm gonna go make a hole. This one you're gonna love because it's super easy to use. Everyone can do this. No special tool, just that. It's coming with this. Okay. And then you're gonna put this one on the top. Snap this down. One side. You can use red. I ran out. But the color is not important. The thing is I show you how to do things. And then go from here. I'm gonna go inside here. And let it go through this hole. Put the other side on, snap, done. So let me tell you the size of this. 4 inches still because the interfacing. And the length is 3.5. So cute. And it have 2 compartments, one for here and one for here. You can put money on one side, fold it in half, put it here, go all the way in, and then the cat you can put on one side here. And that's it. So cute. Gift card holder can be very good too.
And that's it, everyone. I finished. And this is very easy to make, and also this is good for the beginners to practice on making handbag, wallet, or everything basic basket. And this is one of the best wallet or gift card that you can make for the holiday. I have sold so many last year, and this year I'm going to start making this for gift and to sell for the holiday too. Take care, everyone. Love you. Stay safe.